how to connect AutoDS with TikTok shop. Right now I am in AutoDS, and here is my TikTok shop. The speed will be little bit slow because I am using RDP virtual computer, so internet is very slow. So to connect TikTok shop with AutoDS, you have to log in with owner account, not as a child account. Okay, so you will click on here. It already eBay shop is already connected here. If you are new, then it will show uh, written here add store. Then click on add store, get a plan, continue. I will hit continue, and I will click on monthly, start monthly, start free trial, and I will confirm that. It will take some time. Click add store now, select TikTok shop because we have purchased that package. Now I have subscribed it. We can connect other store as well. I will connect other countries. Click continue. By the way, this is UK TikTok shop, so that's why I chose other. So it is European region, United Kingdom. I will click here United Kingdom. If the shop is on other states, then you can click on other, but that is available in UK, so I will click on UK. It will be open to App Store. AutoDS app will be automatically open. Now I will put my details. That details will be blur. I will click OK or install. It will be automatically installed to my shop. Then I will accept the rules of that and select enter. So it has authorized now. So this is how we can add AutoDS with TikTok shop. And now if I click in AutoDS and then add products from AutoDS to TikTok shop, this is our shop, then it will be automatically added to TikTok. So I will make another video how to add good products from AutoDS to and add to TikTok shop and what issues we face. So this video is only about connecting TikTok with AutoDS. So thank you so much.